people saying that they're checking their bees and their bees are really pissy and they're getting stung. And obviously they're the guard bees and the hardcore foragers, the old kamikaze bees. So this one. It's pretty active too. I want more fondant by the end of the week. Right, obviously it's Saturday today, the 1st of Jan, so these will need fondant. Yeah, probably the middle of the week. These are all spread out, all the seams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12 frames in there. That's super. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11, 12, yeah, 12 frames. Right, so let's put them back away. They're good for a few days. Let's have one. Yeah, so it's balmy temperatures, 14-15 degrees today. Bees are all flying, but this temperature's going to drop midweek back down to single figures, 7, 6, 5 degrees, that kind of thing. So all looks okay. Rasta. Ragamuffin brie. Them bees, them doing okay. Okay.